Why are legal separation agreements hard to enforce? Have you ever wondered why some legal agreements seem to fall apart when you need them the most? Legal separation agreements can be tricky to enforce, and understanding the reasons can help you navigate this complex area of family law. First, one major reason is the requirement for full financial disclosure. When couples enter into a separation agreement, both parties must honestly share all their assets and income. If one spouse hides information or provides misleading details, the court may refuse to enforce the agreement. This is because the foundation of the agreement would be based on incomplete or inaccurate information, which undermines its fairness. Next, independent legal representation plays a crucial role. Ideally, both spouses should have their own attorneys. If one attorney represents both parties, it can create a conflict of interest. Courts may decline to enforce the agreement if they believe one party did not fully understand their rights or the terms of the agreement. Having separate legal counsel ensures that both parties are informed and protected. Voluntary consent is another key factor. Courts need to see that both spouses entered into the agreement willingly, without any pressure or coercion. If it is proven that one spouse was forced to sign, the agreement can be set aside. This requirement helps maintain fairness in the process. Fairness and equity are also essential. Separation agreements must not be grossly unfair to one party. If the terms heavily favor one spouse, such as leaving the other with little support or assets, the court may find the agreement inequitable. Judges have a responsibility to prevent agreements that are unfair. Additionally, courts have the discretion to review these agreements. Unlike divorce decrees, separation agreements are contracts between spouses and requiring court approval, especially when they involve child support, spousal support, or custody. Judges will examine these agreements to ensure they meet legal standards and public policy. If they do not, courts can modify, reject, or refuse to enforce certain provisions. Changing circumstances can complicate enforcement as well. Life events like job loss or relocation may require modifications to the agreement. This can lead to additional legal proceedings, which can be time-consuming and costly. Finally, disputes over the terms can create enforcement challenges. If the language in the agreement is ambiguous or unclear, it can lead to disagreements about what was intended. Courts may struggle to apply the agreement as the parties envisioned. To improve the chances of enforcement, parties should ensure full and honest financial disclosure, seek independent legal advice, and create clear, fair terms. It is also important to enter the agreement voluntarily and seek proper court approval when necessary. Legal separation agreements are important tools in family law, helping manage the rights and responsibilities of spouses living apart. However, due to their impact on personal and financial matters, courts maintain strict standards for enforcement to protect everyone involved.